India vs West Indies head-to-head records in one-day international matches. Total matches 142. First match was played on June 9, 1979. India won 72 matches. West Indies won 64 matches. India lost 64 matches. West Indies lost 72 matches. 2 matches tied and 4 abandoned. Hundreds comparison. India has 31 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Virat Kohli, while West Indies has 27 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Chris Gayle. 50s comparison. India has 168 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Rohit Sharma, while West Indies has 147 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Ramnaresh Sawan. Runs comparison. Most runs for India has been scored by Virat Kohli. He has scored 2,261 runs, while most runs for West Indies has been scored by Desmond Haynes. He has scored 1,357 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for India has been scored by Virender Sehwag. He has scored 219 runs, while most runs for West Indies has been scored by Desmond Haynes. He has scored 152 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for India has been taken by Ravindra Jadeja. He has taken 44 wickets, while most wicket for West Indies has been taken by Courtney Walsh. He has taken 44 wickets. Ducks comparison. India has scored 83 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Sachin Tendulkar, while West Indies has scored 97 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Chris Gayle. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for India has been achieved by Anil Kumble, taken 6 wickets conceding 12 runs, while best bowling figures for West Indies has been achieved by Patrick Patterson, taken 6 wickets conceding 29 runs. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.